Using Azure SQL Managed Identity is a highly recommended approach for secure and efficient authentication in Azure-based applications. In this tutorial, we will explore the benefits and implementation of Azure SQL Managed Identity. First, we need to understand what Managed Identity is. Managed Identity is a feature in Azure that allows you to authenticate to Azure services without needing to manage credentials. This is achieved by assigning a managed identity to your Azure resource, such as a virtual machine or an Azure function. Now let's discuss why using Azure SQL Managed Identity is beneficial. The primary advantage is that it eliminates the need to store sensitive credentials such as passwords or connection strings in your code. This significantly reduces the risk of credentials being compromised. Another key benefit is that Managed Identity simplifies the process of rotating credentials. With traditional authentication methods, you would need to manually update the credentials in your code and redeploy your application. However, with Managed Identity, Azure handles the rotation of credentials for you. To implement Azure SQL Managed Identity, you need to enable the Managed Identity feature on your Azure resource. Then you need to grant the necessary permissions to the Managed Identity in Azure SQL. Finally, you can use the Managed Identity to connect to Azure SQL from your application. In terms of best practices, it is essential to use the principle of least privilege when granting permissions to the Managed Identity. This ensures that the Managed Identity only has the necessary permissions to perform its tasks and minimizes the risk of a security breach. In conclusion, using Azure SQL Managed Identity is a secure and efficient way to authenticate to Azure SQL. It eliminates the need to store sensitive credentials in your code and simplifies the process of rotating credentials. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using the principle of least privilege, you can implement Managed Identity in your Azure-based applications and improve the overall security and efficiency of your system.